Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Lee. And today is an awesome day at the QBE compound because today we welcome in another unit to the channel. It is a unit that I've been searching for quite some time now. It's been a childhood dream of mine to have one of these bad boys, and the fact that we now have two on the channel is even more spectacular. So ladies and gentlemen, let me show you what our new unit is. A 2004 Yamaha 700 Raptor. And guys, this thing is a beast. As you guys have seen on the channel once before, we have a 700 as well in the shop. It is a black and red one. That is my dad's, and now I officially have my own. This thing is a 2004. The black one is a 2003. This thing is pretty bone stock when it comes to engine wise. The only aftermarket things it's got to it is the Nerf bars on the sides, as well as a cherry red powder coated frame, as well as the powder coated front radiator plastic. And then it's got an aftermarket clutch lever, as well as a front brake and throttle cable as well. Other than that, this thing is completely bone stock. It sounds a little bit louder than a stock Raptor. It seems that they took the spark arrestor out of the exhaust, so I'll have to fix that. But other than that, guys, this thing is bone stock, and this thing is a ripper for sure. If you guys don't know too much about the 700 Raptors, the 700 Raptors top out at about 78 to 80 miles an hour. You guys know the 350 that I have, the black and red one. That guy tops out at about 60. These Raptors are no joke, guys. These things haul butt. So I've always wanted a 700 Raptor. Now I got one. We are going to do quite a few modifications to it. I don't know quite yet for sure. Definitely some LED headlights because it has halogen bulbs, as well as the exhaust will do eventually. It's not my main concern, but the exhaust eventually will do. I'm thinking the exhaust will true dual it, so we'll have one exhaust on the right and one exhaust on the left, so we'll true dual it. I don't know what kind of intake it's got in here. I think it's got the stock intake. We might do a K&N intake on it. Other than that, I think this thing is pretty much good to go. I think one of the rims is bent just a little bit, so I might do new rims on this thing. Don't know, quite sure yet. Eventually we will get new tires because I'm sure I will smoke the rear ones off eventually. But other than that, guys, this thing is awesome. This thing starts without me even hitting the gas. If I just hit the start button, this thing turns right up. As you guys can tell, it's a little bit louder in the exhaust. It took the spark arrestor out. But these things are a ripper, guys. But this thing is a beaut, guys. There's going to be so much we're going to do on this channel with this guy. So many rides. So, yeah, guys, this is my 2004 700 Raptor. Alrighty, guys, so that concludes my little overview of my 2004 700 Raptor. As you can tell, it just purrs right behind me right now. I know you guys are probably going to ask what's going to happen with the 350. Are we keeping it or not? We're going to keep the 350. I think we're probably going to do maybe a phase 2 build on it, so stay tuned for that. The 350 is going nowhere. I'm going to treat that as my baby too. That's not going to go anywhere. We're going to do plenty of fun stuff with that one, so stay tuned for that one. Guys, if you have not already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. We've already hit 1,000 subscribers. Let's keep heading to 2,000 and more from on there, guys. So if you have not already, give this video a like, and you have not already, subscribe to Quad Boss Lee, and we'll catch you on the next one.